With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So in this question, it is given that find the area and perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD given below if AB is equals to 8 centimeters. So I will label it down. So this is AB. This is given to us 8 centimeters. So this is basically A. This is B. This is C, and this is D. So it is given that AB is equals to 8 centimeter. AD is 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. BD is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter. DC is 13 centimeter. This is 13 centimeters. The angle DBC is 90 degrees. So this is given to us 90 degree. Now we have to find the area and perimeter of this whole quadrilateral. So for finding the perimeter, we need to first know the value of BC. So for BC, what we are going to do is in triangle. So suppose in triangle DBC, triangle DBC, this is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, in this when we use Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle, the sides with the right angle are known as perpendicular. So this is basically our perpendicular, this is our base, and this is our hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now we know the value of hypotenuse and perpendicular, we need to find the value of base. So we'll put the value of hypotenuse, that is 13. So 13 square is equals to perpendicular is 12 square plus base square. Now what with this 13 square is equal to 169, 12 square is equals to 144, plus this b will remain as b square. Now this b square will be equal to 169 minus 144. I have just taken this on the left hand side, write it in this format. So b square will come out to be 25. Now this 25 b square is equals to square of 5. From here b comes out to be equal to 5 centimeter. So value of b came out. So this is 5 centimeter. Now okay, now we have got all the sides. So for finding the perimeter, now perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD, so the perimeter of ABCD will be equal to this AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now from the figure we know the various values, so I will write them down. So AB is given to us 8 centimeters, BC we just find it as 5 centimeters, CD is equals to 13 centimeters, and DA is 10 centimeters. So when we sum up all this, this will come out to be equal to 36 centimeter. So we got our first part, we got one of the part, that is the perimeter. So we have got a perimeter. Now we have to find the area. Now if you take a look at this quadrilateral, if you find the area of triangle ADB and triangle DBC and add them, that will be area of this quadrilateral. So basically area of ABCD is equals to area of triangle DAB plus area of triangle DBC. So we'll first separately find these two areas and then we'll calculate. Now for first we'll find the area of triangle DBC. So area of triangle DBC. Now DBC is a right angle triangle. You can see that one of the angle is 90 degree, and we know that area of right angle triangle. So I will not write it here, so I will write it here only. So this area of right angled triangle is given by half into base into height. So similar, we will use this similar formula. So from here, this will become half into base into height. Now if you take a look at this, this is our base is 5 centimeters, and this height is nothing but the perpendicular, which is 12 centimeter. So we'll use this. So when we, by using this formula, this will come out to y into base is 5 and height is 12 centimeter. So 2, and this will come cut out 6. So from this we got the value of, so area of triangle DBC came out to be 30 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the area of DAB. Now area of, so we have to calculate area of DA or triangle DAB. Now DAB is an scalene triangle. So for this we will use a similar another area formula. So that area is given by, so area of scalene triangle is given by under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where this A, B and C are length of sides and S is semi perimeter of triangle. So now the semi perimeter, S is nothing but the perimeter divided by 2. So P, I represent the perimeter, so perimeter by 2. So for doing that, we need to first calculate the perimeter of triangle DAB, basically semi perimeter, and then we will write this. So semi perimeter of triangle DAB is equals to A. So the length of the side is given by 10, 8 and 12 are the sides. So 10 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 2, because it is the perimeter is 10 plus 8 plus 12 and it is whole divided. This will become the semi perimeter. So when we add this will come out to be 10, 18 plus 12, this is 30 by 2. So this will come out to be 15 centimeter is the semi perimeter. So area of triangle DAB will come out to be under root of S is 15 into, now this 15 minus, so 15 minus one of the sides are, so I will name this as A is equals to 10, so minus 10. So we will take all the sides, so 15 minus 10 minus 8 and 15 minus 12. So basically these are the three sides. Now what I am going to do is, so we'll open the bracket. So this will become 15 into 15 minus 10 is 5, 15 minus 8 is 7 and 15 minus 12, this is 3. So when we solve this whole will come out to be, so this whole, when we solve this comes out to be, so I will just multiply, so 1575. So 1575. Now this 1575 is square root of, now when we square root this will approximately come out to be, 39.7 centimeter square. So basically area of triangle DAB is equals to 39.7 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of ABCD. So area of ABCD is area of DAB, area of DAB, that is this DBC, plus area of DAB, that is this. So this is 30 plus 39.7. So because the upper part came out to be 30 centimeter square and this is 39, so when we add this will become 69.7 centimeter square approximately. This is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.